I crying?
Why am I crying? You look awesome.
Thank
Holy
you.
cow.
You like it?
I love it. Okay, is that enough crying?
Maybe we don't.
Hi.
Hi.
Want to get married today?
Yeah. You look beautiful.
So do you. I'm right. I love you.
I love you.
So something happened back in August when we were way up in the mountains, and I just asked you to be honest.
Maria, from the day we met at Rojo 3 years ago, our meet and greet, as you like to call it, I felt a spark in my heart. Your unwavering kindness and the way you always put others first continue to inspire me every day. Standing before you today, I promise to fill your life with laughter and joy, to find reasons to smile every single day. I vow to grow old with you, embracing each moment as our story unfolds with love and excitement. I offer you my hand, my heart, and my future. Now and always, you are the love of my life, and I vow to honor these promises today and forever. I love you with everything I am and all I can ever hope to be.
Taylor Thomas, I vow to put God at the forefront of our life forever. I vow to love you unconditionally through the good, through the bad, through the very happy days, and through the really hard days. I vow to find recipes for you to keep making for us. God willing, I vow to be the best mom I can be to our future kids. I vow to raise them in the same way we were raised, with strong values and strong beliefs. And I vow to always make sure they feel our love and support. I vow to always tell you how much I love you, to always kiss you goodnight, and to always remind you that we are a team. I'm so excited to become Mrs. Taylor ID today. You are everything my heart needed, and I am so excited to start our forever. Want to get married today?
Yeah.
On behalf of Jim and Linda and Julie, and of course Maria and Taylor, again I want to welcome you here to Assumption. Coming down, I've never seen, I don't think it was possible to get a bigger smile on Taylor's face. And now you are ready to marry this person who has become your best friend. We trust that God will continue to shine through you, as God already does and will do throughout what will be a very happy and long life. God's blessings to you, Maria and Taylor.
I, Taylor, take you, Maria, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
I, Maria, take you, Taylor, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
It is my privilege, my pleasure, my honor now, husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Taylor and Maria ID.
As a newly married couple, you and Taylor have a blank canvas in front of you. Together, you and Taylor, you'll paint it with all the colors of life. With God's good grace, here's to yellow days ahead and the many beautiful colors still to come. Cheers.
This wedding truly feels like a dream come true. Now we're gonna make our sister stand up for a second, because everyone needs to admire how absolutely stunning she looks tonight.
To Maria, who has always deserved all the happiness in the world, and in Taylor, that happiness has been found. Watching the two together brings us so much joy.
I vividly remember the evening that Taylor introduced us to Maria. We didn't get 60 seconds down the road where Rochelle and I nearly simultaneously said, okay, Maria's pretty perfect for Taylor. True story. Maria, I know you've been told this before, you truly magnify all Taylor's strengths and complement his weaknesses so beautifully. Not only is Taylor fortunate, but the entire ID gang is blessed to officially have you as a part of the family.
Bree and I just want to take a quick minute to thank all you guys for being here tonight to celebrate with us.
We are incredibly happy that you're all here. We feel incredibly blessed that God has brought you into our lives. And we know without a doubt that our marriage is going to be so successful because each and every one of you support us.
My wife, from the moment we met, I knew you were the one. And I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you.
Taylor, I love you. We love all of you, and thank you for being with us tonight.